City to attend a debut. Hey guys, so we're going out today to meet some of our college friends. Sila yung mga friends ko na president din ng kanya-kanya engineering programs when I was also a president of the mechanical engineering program. So, let's go. Quick fit check. Then I'll be using my sandals lang.
May pa, nag-change location pa, no?
Hey guys, good afternoon. So we're here at Dixie City to attend a debut kasi we were invited. Today is November 23 and it's already 1:44 p.m. The event will start ng around 4 p.m. and then malapit lang naman yung venue. So we're still here sa bahay ng tita ko. And then actually yung debutant pala is not our relative but anak ng close family friend ng tita ko. And then it turns out na naging friend din yung mom ng debutant and yung mom ko. So yeah. And if you guys are wondering kung bakit andito tayo sa car, kasi ang init sa labas. Papalamig lang muna, 'di ba? And time check again, it's 1:50 p.m. I'll take you guys with me today if I can. And then if ever naman hindi, I'll update you na lang later. Bye guys. We'll get ready in a few.